This is the path that I walk around. Where I live is like a mountain, and surrounding the mountain there's a tiny path like this one. I thought I may have this share. Maybe you cannot be there but still enjoy it. What I think may be important related to be in the nature and walking in the nature is that some people feel when they come to the place like this, lots of nature, they have nothing to do. When you walk around, take a picture, and they go on. In my view, like I said, melting in nature, just breathe in, breathe out, take in, and melt into nature. In my case, like down there, you see that bright shadow where the rocks are. I haven't done it, but I dive in. So, if you want to experience nature, there's a way. Maybe you are not a diver. Maybe you take a picture, or you study plant, and no more. We talked about silence, peace. In samadhi, you may feel all the living plants, like those we see there, are talking to us. And of course it sounds stupid, but that's exactly how I feel. So I feel lucky to be there and walk around. So modern day world, there are lots of attractions on the internet or out in the city, especially big cities. And I think they're missing important part of who we are. As much as those trees are born and living and dying, we are the same. Nothing different. It's just a different form. Of course, if you're young, especially, you'll be curious to explore all sorts of things. But I would imagine when the world goes on to all different directions and advancement, there are places like this if you are determined to find. And you may need some luck or inquisitiveness that I talk about quite often. Enjoy.